Hey guys, welcome back with another amazing video. This video I will show you how to earn free Bitcoin using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners this year 2021. How to do it? We are about to find out. This is how to earn free Bitcoin. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money, enjoy it. Let's define first Bitcoin to the sake of those who did not know what is it. So, Bitcoin, often described as a cryptocurrency, is a virtual or digital currency. It's like an online version of cash. You can use it to buy products and services. However, many shops accept Bitcoin as payment. People can send Bitcoin to your digital wallet and you can send Bitcoin to other people as well. There are three main ways people get Bitcoin. First, you can buy Bitcoin using real money. Second, you can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoin. And lastly, they can be created using a phone or a computer, which is known as Bitcoin mining. And that's what we will be focusing in this video. If you want to test video topic as well, just leave a comment down below what make money online strategy you want me to teach you. Carry on, make sure to drop a like to this video if you love making money online. And let's see if we can get 3000 like in this one. So scroll down below and tap the like button until it turns blue. Now let's get started. Today I am going to show you the top 7 most profitable Bitcoin app that you can find on the internet this year 2021. All of the different apps we are going to cover today are completely beginner friendly and they are free to use. So you don't have to be expert in cryptocurrency in order to make some profit with them. And as long as you have internet connection and a mobile phone, you are able to use all of these apps. I am also going to show you the most efficient way that you can make use of this app. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now the first website we need to make use of is called coinbase.com, and we are going to use it for two main purposes. First, Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can set up in order to collect your Bitcoin from all other websites. First, Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can set up in order to collect your Bitcoin from all the other websites or apps that we are going to use today. And if you want to do that, it is completely free. And all it takes is clicking on this button. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to the new page. You can enter your first name, email address and also password, but make sure the email you enter is valid and you actually have access to that, because they will send you a verification link that you have to click on. So that is really important in order to set up your Bitcoin wallet. Now it doesn't have to be specially on coinbase.com. You can set up your Bitcoin wallet on any other website, but you need to have one in order to collect your earnings. And once you finish doing so, you can move on the second reason why we are using coinbase.com. Today, if you take a look here on the home page, you can see that they will give you a bonus, get $5 in free Bitcoin. And let's click on that and see what it's all about. Basically, they ask you to learn about all of the new cryptocurrencies and they are willing to pay you for that. So if you started these courses and actually actually finish them, you will get rewarded. And the best part is that you can use your mobile phone to use Coinbase.com and learn about all of these new cryptocurrencies and get that bonuses. And once you are done with that, once you have collect your $5 bonuses and set up your Bitcoin wallet, we can move on to the second app that we are going to use in order to make free Bitcoin 2021. So moving on the second app, crypto browser site, and it is available for both Android and iOS devices. This is one of my personal favorite because the thing I absolutely love about this app is the fact that you can make passive income using it. You don't have to be actively involved in the progress because this is basically Bitcoin miner. That means that if you get this browser on your mobile or on your computer, you can let it run in the background. It will use some of your computer or smartphone's resources. Nevertheless, it will generate Bitcoin for you automatically. That means you don't have to complete any survey. You don't have to watch ads. You don't have to complete any micro tasks in order to get some profits. You can just leave in there. Let it do in think in the background and that will generate Bitcoin for you. Now this browser is very similar to Google Chrome. If you actually use it, you will notice that it looks very similar. It feels the same way and it uses the same extension. So you can do the thing you would normally do on Google Chrome on this browser. And all you have to do in order to start earning is install this app on your mobile phone. And as I have said earlier, you can get it on both Android and iOS devices. So it doesn't matter which operating system you are using because this browser will still allow you to make some profits. Let's actually click on this Google Play icon. And this is how the app is going to look like. Now you can get the basic version for absolutely free. Or you can get also the pro version. But I don't recommend you to get the pro version just yet because if you are just starting out, you don't have money to invest in this method. You can use the free one and still make some profit. And after you have done so, after you have earned some money, you can actually reinvest it to get even more profit. But I will leave that up to you. For now, this video aims at beginners who are just starting out, so I want you to get free version from Google Play. Moreover, I do recommend you install your computer as well and replace the browsing you're currently using because that will maximize your earnings and gives you even more profits. You don't have to, but if you wish to, you are free to do so. You can let crypto browser run in the background while you are using all the other apps. That is the main advantage of this app. And that is why I wanted to point out as this is pure passive income because you can earn that without your involvement while using all the other apps that are generating active income. Now moving on, the third app is FigurePoints.com and you can get it on both iOS and Android devices as well, which is a huge advantage. Now, they have paid their user 5.8 million since 2021 too. They have been in the business for quite some time. From my experience, they always pay their users their due money, and this is reputable app. First of all, you have to complete some micro tasks in order to get points that you can later on redeem and turn into actual money. So you can be able to complete survey and cashback when you shop at one of their partner stores. There is a unique feature in this app that I wanted to point out because very few apps actually have this, which is getting points for just downloading app. As you can see here, you are going to download certain app on your mobile phone, and once your balance hits a certain threshold, you should be able to redeem your money. They have PayPal available as a withdraw option. You can also get an Amazon card. But most importantly, you can get your reward in Bitcoin. So they will send your money straight into your Bitcoin wallet. They also have a decent commission for your referral link. So if you refer one of your friends and they start making points on this app, you will also get 50% out of that. That means that you can definitely leverage this method and maximize your profit by referring your friend or referring other people that are interested in making money online. Now you sign up this website here, or you can click on one of those buttons and download this app your phone and sign up there. Up next, we have our fourth app, which is one Sweetcoin. This app allows you to earn cryptocurrency but not Bitcoin. It is because they have their own cryptocurrency, which is called Sweetcoin. And I am going to show you exactly how you can take advantage of that and what you need to do in order to earn it. As you can see here, this is iOS and Android devices. This is available for both iOS and Android devices. Now this app pays you to work. That's exactly what you need to do in order to earn money with this app. Nothing more and nothing less. They are going to pay you each step that you will take throughout the whole day. And this app is perfect for you, especially if you are an active person. But now the interesting part is that Sweetcoin alone doesn't really have value, and you cannot convert this into US dollar or Bitcoin or anything of that sort. However, in order to take advantage of your balance, you have to purchase certain items from their partner stores. Nevertheless, they have partnered up with hundreds of different businesses, so you can choose and purchase from different sorts of items. So here you can purchase goods, services and experiences ranging from high-tech shoes to iPhone. From anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple watches. So they have a lot of different partners that are willing to trade their items for Sweetcoin. They have got over 300 plus partners, and that gives you a wide range of products that you can purchase. This is how the app look like Google Play, and as you can see here in this picture, they also give you PayPal gift card. That means that means you can also withdraw your money at some point into US dollar, but it may get you quite some time to get there because they have a high threshold for PayPal. However, you can insist purchases certain items that are a little bit cheaper. Now the review on this on now the review on this one are really good. It is rated at 4.3 out of 5, which is an amazing rating. Judging by the fact that they have got over 1,75,000 reviews. Moving on to the app number 5 is Free Bitcoin. You can find it on Google Play. I am not sure if there is a similar app for iOS user, but for now I am going to focus on this one. And this is the point that you can. This app is very similar to FigurePoint. You just have to complete you just have to complete some micro tasks such as downloading certain apps on your phone, watching videos, complete survey and so on. That is going to give you points that you can later on withdraw to convert into Bitcoin. Now this app rating is 4.5 out of 5. But as you can see, some of these reviews are not friendly. So you can do your own research on the web or simply try this out and see if it works for you, because people might have different results depending on how much time they are willing to spend. But I will let you be the judge. And last but definitely not the least, here are the sixth and seventh app on the list, which are very similar in concept. These are mobile games that you can play in order to earn extra money. The first app is called Blockchain Game, while the second one is called Eden Run. You can find them both on Google Play. Now remember, you are trading your time for money with these, and depending on how much time you have on your hand, you may be profitable or not. But I suggest you give this app a try and see how much money you are able to generate. This wrap it up, and that is exactly how to earn free Bitcoin this year 2021. So there we go. And now if you want to earn even more money, check that first link at the description down below to discover how to make money online to do nothing, which is one of the best way to earn money 2021, which anyone even without previous experience can do. Yes, it's possible, and we'll show you exactly how to do in the next video right there. Check out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I will see you in the some if you are wanted to YouTuber and learn how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. Then you must join this course. This is very helpful courses for new YouTubers or new beginners or experienced YouTubers. So you must join it. I will drop link in this